We're walking down Coppice now. Notice how quiet and tree-lined the road is. It's one of those residential streets where you genuinely know who your neighbours are. And here's our house coming up now. That's what I call character. So this is it, your potential new home. A stunning 4-bed detached Tudor style home with tons of character. So what makes it so special? Let's go and see. Step outside. This is what you call a wow factor. It's got terrace gardens that create individual rooms for outdoors.